How to use QR codes on iPhone. QR codes, or quick response codes, are square-shaped barcodes that mobile devices can read. They are used in a variety of ways, from displaying a restaurant's menu to sending visitors to a podcast. Creating a QR code on iPhone is a pretty simple operation. I will show you in the first part of the video how to scan a QR code on iPhone. First of all, open the Settings app. Go to Control Center. Find here on the section More Controls the option Code Scanner. Tap on the plus near Code Scanner. Now you can change the order if you want on the Control Center. Now to scan a QR code, just open the Control Center. Tap on the Code Scanner icon. Just scan the code with your camera. It is that easy to scan a QR code on iPhone. How to create a QR code on iPhone. On iPhone you can use multiple tools to create QR codes. I will show you one easy way to use Google Chrome to create QR codes. Open Google Chrome. Enter into the site you wish to share. Tap on the share icon from the top right in the address bar. Tap on Create a QR code button. Here is the QR code for the link. Just download this file and then send it on whatever app you wish to share. Another way to generate a QR code is to go to the site QR Code Generator. I will put the link into the description and also on the screen. This site will allow you to create any type of QR code, like text, email, SMS, Bitcoin address. All that you need. So check this site if you need a more complex QR code. This is how you use a QR code on iPhone. If you stayed until the end, please show your appreciation by liking the video. Also leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more tech videos. Have a great day.